Okay, students, I hope you are all well and healthy and ready to learn a new things. My name is Palak Patel. I am working in the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari, in Civil Engineering Department. I am going to teach you the subject is Design of Structures and subject code is 31506112. The subject are in BE third year, SEM 5th. Or in this lecture, we are going to learn E-beam. First example, ready? The first example is for the analysis of T-beam. Find out the moment of resistance of T-beam using following data. These are the following data: flange width, wave width, effective depth 600 mm, tension steel 4 number of 20 mm diameter, and depth of flange 150 mm, and M20 grade concrete. So by this data, I can draw a figure. By this data, I can draw a figure. Okay. Flange width means your top flange width, slab width is 1500. Wave width 300 mm. Effective depth 600 mm. Tension steel 4 numbers of tension steel, and depth of flange 150 mm, and M20 grade concrete and Fe415 grade steel are used. So we start exam analysis. Example, FCK grade of concrete, grade of steel, then after numbers of 20 mm diameter. So these are the area of steel AST 1256 mm square. Then after calculate FC, force of compression 0.36 FCK into capital DF. So 0.36 FCK20. BF means width of flange and capital DF means depth of flange, overall depth of flange. So these are the force 1.62 into 10 raised to 6 Newton. Okay, these are the compression force at flange. Then after find the FT 0.87 Fy capital AST 0.87 Fy is 415 capital AST we calculate here 1256, and after the solution and calculate we found the result 0.453 into 10 raised to 6 Newton. Both are the forces. Ft means tension and Fc means compression. Here is Fc is greater than Ft. Fc is greater than Ft. So if Fc is greater than Ft, then neutral axis lies in the flange. Neutral axis lies in the flange. So at that condition, we have this condition also. Xu less than capital Df means neutral axis depth is lesser than flange depth. Okay, then after we have to find the mu as per singly RCB. First of all calculate XU 0.87 Fy capital AST divided by 0.36 FCK BF. BF means width of flange. Put all the equation, all the values, and we found the result 41.98 mm. That's the XU max 0.48 D. Okay, D is effective depth. Effective depth of beam is 0.48 into 600. The value is 288 mm. Then after XU less than XU max, so is XU is less than XU max. So work beam is under reinforced section. Then after we have the moment equation 0.87 Fy AST into D into 1 minus Fy capital AST upon FCK BF into D. Put all value 0.87 into 415 FY 415 AST 1256 depth 600 FY 415 AST 1256 FCK 20 BF width of flange is 1500 and depth is 600. So after the calculate we got a value 264.20 kilonewton into meter. So 264.20 is a moment which can resist by a beam. Okay, if I design a beam and this design is follow, okay, that time this type of beam can resist 264.20 kilonewton into meter moment. Understood? So our analysis is completed. One example finished. Calculate flange width. Calculate flange width of T-beam for the following data. Here is the depth of flange, width of rib, and effective span is given. So what we got here? Here is your T-beam. We have a depth of flange 100, width of rib 300, and effective span means length L0 is 7000 mm. These are the given. This is given. Okay, this is the given data. So let's calculate. Okay, second, depth of flange, width of web, and L0 effective span. Assume beam is simply supported. So you have equation here. BF L0 by 6 plus BW plus 6DF. L0 is 7000 by 6. Where a width of web 306 into depth of flange. So we got a value is 2066.67 mm. So we have a flange width 2066.74 mm. So this we are found it here. Flange width. Example 3. A T-beam flange width 850 mm, flange thickness 100 mm, width 275 mm, has effective depth 475 mm. The beam is reinforced with 4 bars of 20 mm diameter. Find ultimate moment of resistance. Use M20 concrete and Fe415 steel. So here I can draw cross section here. These are the beam is given. Flange width means this is 850 mm, 100 mm rib width, and flange thickness 100 mm, rib width 275 mm, effective depth 475 mm. Beam is reinforced with 4 bars 1 2 3 4 bars of 20 mm diameter. Find ultimate moment of resistance. Use M20 concrete and Fe415 steel. Okay, these are the given data. So let's start analysis. Okay, okay, so these are the given data. Width of flange, depth of flange, effective width of rib, and effective depth of beam. Width of flange is 850. Depth of flange is 100 mm. Width of web is 275 mm and effective depth 475 mm. In area of steel, 4 into 20 mm diameter bar. Look at here, 1256.6 mm square. First of all, we have to find out FC, then after FT. FC equation 0.36 FCK BF into DF. So 0.36 FCK is 20, BF is 850, DF is 100. So FC means force of compression 6.12 into 10 raised to 5. 6.12 into 10 raised to 5. After FT 0.87 FY AST 0.87 FY 415 AST 1256.6, which is given in the example. 4 numbers of bar of 20 mm diameter, area of steel in a tension zone. Then after the calculation, we got the value 453 into 10 raised to 5 Newton. Whichever is more, FC is more than FT. Force of compression is more. So when a compression force is more, then the neutral axis lies in the flange. So when the neutral axis lies in the flange, we have a XU less than DF. XU less than DF. XU means depth of neutral axis and DF means overall depth of flange. So when this condition fulfilled, we have to find mu as per singly RC beam. So here is the equation. XU 0.87 FY AST divided by 0.36 FCK BF. FCK BF. So this put all the values and we got XU 74.30 mm. Then to find XU max 0.48 D. Effective depth is 475. XU value is 228 mm. 228 mm. After under reinforced section, so by the XU is less than XU max. XU is less than XU max. So on the reinforced section. So these are the equation. 0.87 Fy capital AST D into 1 minus Fy capital AST upon FCK BF into D. So we can find this equation by this IS code. Let's check the IS code here. Page number 96. There is equation. Look at here. 0.87 Fy capital AST into D into 1 minus capital AST Fy upon BD FCK. Okay. This equation we have to follow. Fy is 415, capital AST is 1256.6. Effective depth is 475 into 1 minus Fy 415, capital AST 1256.6, FCK 20, BF 8050 and D is 475. By the calculation, we got the value is 201.58 kilonewton into meter. So this is the moment resistance by the beam. Our example is complete here. Okay. So our example is complete. So in the next lecture we discuss about T-beam design. How to design a T-beam. Okay. We will start from here in the next lecture. So by the next lecture, bye and take care. Bye. We have to follow T-beam design. T-beam design. So T-beam design, we have a design step for a T-beam. First of all, we have to find out lever arm. Z is equal to D minus df by 2. We have to find out this. By the lever arm, we have this equation. Mu limit is equal to 0.87 Fy AST into D minus df by 2. What is D minus ds by 2? Is lever arm, and 0.87 Fy AST is equation for the tension. Okay, tension on a steel at a tension zone. Find AST by this equation. We can find the area of steel in the tension zone. Then after this the design is completed, but we have to check FC FT. Okay, FC is the force of compression, FT is equal to force of tension. By this equation we can decide the position of neutral axis, and after the neutral axis, C1 plus C2 is equal to T. So what is C1? 0.36 FCK BW XU, C2 0.446 FCK BF minus BW into DF, capital DF, or T means tension, 0.87 FIAST. By this equation we can find out XU we can find out, and XU max. By this XU and XU max we can design which section is here, which section is this, under reinforced section, balanced section, or over reinforced section. By this section we can find mu. If mu is more than mu acting on the beam, this section is chosen is okay. Okay, otherwise revise the section. Okay, we start the example. Look at here. Calculate the area of steel required for the factored moment of 415 kilonewton into meter. These are the kilonewton into meter is a these are the 450 kilonewton per meter. This is the moment, factor moment, which is directly given in the exam. In the example. And for the T-beam with the following requirement. These are the requirement. Okay. These are the requirement. First is width of flange 1250 mm, depth of flange 100 mm, width of web 250 mm, overall depth 600 mm, and effective depth 550 mm. So by this requirement I can draw a T-beam. Okay, width of flange means these are width of flange 1250 mm. Okay, depth of flange, this is overall depth 100 mm. Width of web, these are width of web 250 mm. Overall depth, these are the overall depth is 600 mm, and one is effective depth, these are 550 mm. So by this overall depth and effective depth I can say there is a 50 mm cover is provided, 50 mm effective cover is provided. I can draw this T-beam by this requirement, and we have M20 grade concrete and FY415 grade steel. By this data we calculate the design. Okay, look at here, FCK 20, FCK 20 Newton per mm square, Fy415 Newton per mm square. Mu is given factor moment 450 kilonewton into meter. So assume first of all we can calculate lever arm D minus capital DF by 2. D is effective depth which is given in 550. DF is overall depth of flange which is 100 divided by 2. Lever arm is 500. Z is equal to 500 lever. So by this equation, I have a mu equation 0.87 Fy AST into Z. Mu is given 450 into 10 raised to 6. 450 is given in kilonewton into meter. So I converted it into Newton into mm. So while we are converting kilonewton into meter, we have to multiply by 10 raised to 6 for the Newton into mm. Okay, 450 to 10 raised to 6, 0.87, Fy 415, capital AST is missing, and Z is equal to 500. So we can find out capital AST. Capital AST is 2492. Look at here. 492.72 m square. 2492.72 mm square. Okay, so these are the capital AST. Okay, capital AST. Here is a small AST. I assume a 28 diameter bar. So for the 28 diameter bar, pi by 4 into 28 whole square. The small AST is a 615.75 mm square. 615.75 mm square. Then after we can find out the numbers of bar. Small AST capital AST divided by small AST. So by this calculation, I can find the four numbers of bar. Four numbers of bar. Four numbers of bar by the equation. Small AST by four numbers of bar, we can capital AST 2463 mm square. Required capital AST minus provided AST. What is 2492.72? 2492.72 mm square required AST. We required it, but what we apply? 2463 mm square. 2463 mm square. So there is a 29.72 mm square is we require more. Okay, we required 2492.72, but we applied 2460. We applied 2460 mm square. So 29.72 mm square is more we required. Okay, understood? So by the 29.72 mm square, we provide 10 mm diameter bar. So 10 mm diameter bar, capital A, small AST is 78.53 mm square. So provided a reinforcement 428 mm diameter bar and 1 into 10 mm square. These are the two provided. So total AST is 2541.53 mm square. These are the provided. Our design is completed. Okay, our design is complete. Next example, design a T-beam for effective span of 6 meter. It has support concrete slab 125 mm thick with live load 3 kN per mm square. Here we have applied a 3 kN per mm square. Take spacing of beam 3 mm. Take M20 and Fe415 grade steel. Okay, so in this example we have one figure. I hope you can note down in your notebook. Just draw this figure. Actually I don't have a scale or anything, I just draw it by a pen and pad. so I can't draw it perfectly. BF. BF means width of flange. BW. Capital DF. And last one is spacing. Okay. So what we have? Effective span 6 meter. What is 6 meter? Span 6 meter is L0 6 meter. Span 6 meter. Has support concrete slab 125 mm thick. So slab thickness is 125. So capital DF is 125. Live load 3 kg if load is applied or live load is 3 kg and spacing of beam is 3 meter. So this spacing is given is 3 meter. So I can put 3000 mm. Understood? Okay. So this figure is completed. Pause the video and draw a figure carefully. Let's start the example here. I can use a pen. Okay, yeah. Here is FCK20, F5415, span of beam 6 meter. Assume depth of beam. Depth of beam. You can assume depth of beam by this equation. L by 12 to L by 10. L by 10, 12 to L by 10. So L is given, span is 6 meter. So 6000 is mm divided by 12 to 6000 divided by 10. So we get value 500 to 600. So by this equation we can say if you want to design a beam, your depth of beam between 500 to 600. So I can take a 550, I can take 560 depth, yeah, depth of beam 560, 570, anything I can take anything value. Okay, then after we assume a depth of wave is 500 mm, overall depth is 500 plus 125. What is 125? 125 is a thickness of slab. 125 is the thickness of slab. So overall depth is 625 mm. Overall depth is 625 mm. Okay, and assume a beam. We assume this data. Okay, we assume this data. Assume BW. BW means width of wave. Assume width of wave is 300 mm. We assume this data and assume effective cover is 550 mm. So effective depth is 625 minus 50 is equal to 575 mm. Okay, 575 mm. Then after we can find out BF is equal to L0 by 6 plus DW plus 6DF plus 6DF. Okay, so L0 is 6000 by 6, BW is 300 plus 6 into 125 depth of slab. Okay, so BF value is 2050 mm. 2050 mm. Then after we have to follow load calculation. Okay, so look at here. Head load of slab we have. Okay, in this example Three types of load. One is dead load of slab. Second is dead load of rib. Rib means beam. And third is live load. Dead load of slab is 3 into 1.125 into 25. Why is 3? So I can explain it here. Look at here, students. If your slab span is 3 and thickness is 0.125, span is 3 and thickness is 0.125. So by this cross section area into 25, 25 is a density. It's a density of concrete. 0.125 it's a 25 is the density of concrete. So cross section area 3 into 0.125 into 25 is called 937 kilonewton per meter. Okay, then after depth of rib we assume 0.3. 0.3 is the width of web and 0.5. 0.5 is overall depth of beam. So in this case you can see it's your T-beam. Okay, it's your T-beam. Dead load of slab means this dead load is calculated. Okay, and these are missing. Depth of web is missing. Okay, so we assume 500 is here. This 500. This is 300. So 0.3 and 0.5 is this. Okay. Yeah, I will erase it. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay. Great. Understood? 3 kilo. Then after 3 kilo per mm square. What is this? 3 kilo mm square is given live load on the slab and by a 3 meter width. 3 meter width means the spacing of beam. So we got 9 kilonewton per meter. Okay. Summation of all three. Summation of all three. We got total load 22.125 kilonewton per meter. This total load is applied on the slab. This total load is applied on the slab. But these are the service load. These are the service load. We need a factor load. So multiply by 1.5 into 22.125. So factor load is 30.20 kilonewton per meter. 33.20 kilonewton per. By the load, we can find out moment WL square by 8. WL square by 8. Okay. Then provide the value. Put the value in the equation. 33.28 into 6 whole square divided by 8. So moment is 149.4 kilonewton per meter. These are the moment. Okay. So we have to follow SP60 here. SP60 page number 94 table 56. This moment we got here. Okay. MU 149.4 kilonewton per meter. This moment is we got. Okay. But we have to find out MU limit. MU limit. So how can we find out MU limit? MU limit we have follow SP60 page number 94 table 56. SP60 I have is here. Page number is 94. 92, 93, 94. Okay. In this, we have a equation here. Mu limit divided by BWD square upon FCK. Mu limit. Okay, this equation is here. So we found the value by this mu limit. So first of all, we need a BF by BW and capital DF by D. DF by BW. So here is BF by BW. BF 2050, BW 300. So we got a value 6.83. BF by BW is 6.83. So overall I can call it 7. I can call it 7. Then after small df by d, small d, capital DF by small d, 125 divided by 575. So we got 0.217. 0.217. So by this equation, okay, 0.7 is here. BW BDF 0.7 is here. Okay. And what is DF by DF? 0.21 by 7. We got value 0.638. 0.638. I take a 0.632 by some calculation. So I got mu limit divided by FCK BWD square. This value is 0.632. Okay. Then after mu limit, so I need to find mu limit. So mu limit is equal to 0.632 into FCK. So I can write out equation mu limit is 0.632 into FCK into BW into D square. So 0.632, FCK 20, BW 300 and D square 575 square. So I found the mu limit 1253.73 kilonewton per meter. And this value, we have a lesser mu compared to mu limit. Okay. So what is mu we found? Is 149.4. mu is 149.4 is lesser than 1253.73. So we have to design as a singly TB. Okay, so we start here from Z is equal to D minus DF by 2, 575. D is 575 minus 125 divided by 2. So Z is equal to 512.5 mm. 512.5 mm. Then after mu 0.87 Fy AST into Z. 0.87 Fy AST into Z. So by this equation you can find out 149.4 into 10 raised to 6. These are we found mu. 0.87 is given. 415 Fy AST we have to find, and Z is equal to 512.5. So AST is AST is 807.40 mm square. 807.40 mm square. So we have find out capital AST. So capital AST we assume 60 mm diameter bar. So 60 mm cap small AST is 201.06 mm square. 201.06 mm square. So I provide capital AST here, small AST here. So this equation is number of bars. So numbers of bars is capital AST divided by small AST. So capital AST divided by small AST, we have 5 numbers of bar. 5 numbers of bar. Both provide 5 numbers of bar at 60 mm diameter. So provided AST 1005.3 mm square. Okay. So now we have to check a design. Check a design because all the data is assumed. So we have to check a design. So for the check the design, first of all, FC 0.36 FC KBF into DF. So 0.36 into 20 into 2050 into 125. So FC is 1.845 into 10 raised to 6 Newton. Then after find out FT. FT means force at a tension. 0.87 FY small AST capital AST. 0.87 FY is 415. Capital AST which we provide 1005.3. So value is 0.36 into 10 raised to 6. So compression force is more. Look at here. Compression force is more compared to tension force. So by this equation, neutral axis lies in the flange. Neutral axis lies in the flange. So by this neutral axis in the flange, so we can analyze a beam as a singly beam. As a singly beam. First of all, calculate the XU. Here is the equation 0.87 Fy into AST divided by 0.36 FCK into BF. FCK into BF. So here is equation XU. So 0.87 Fy 415 capital AST which we provide 1005.8 0.36 FCK 20 BF 2050. Okay, so we got XU 24.60. Then we have to find out XU max. XU max 0.48 into D. 0.48 into 575. 575 is effective depth of beam. So we got XU max 276 mm. 276 mm. So here is a XU is less than XU max. So our section is under reinforced section. So under reinforced section we have an equation mu into z, T into z. T is the tension 0.87 FIAST and z is a D minus 0.42 XU. These are the equations for the singly RC beam. Okay, 0.87 Fy 415 capital AST 1005.8 D is 575.42 into XU 24.60. So our mu is 205.05 into 10 raised to 6 Newton into mm. Newton into mm. So by this equation you can say your beam, your design beam can carry 205.5 kilonewton into meter load, but we applied 149.4 kilonewton into meter moment. So our design is safe. Okay, look at here. We applied a load 149.4. This load we applied. Okay, 149.4. This load we applied. But our beam can carry 205.05 kilonewton into meter moment. Okay, your beam design is safe. The design is completed. Second example. This example I give you for the practice. Write down the example. Pause the video. Write down the example and wait a minute. Okay. some data is missing, so I give you one detail is here. It is the same figure. Same figure is here. Just some data is missing. BF, BF. Effective depth, small d is 650 mm. Overall depth, capital D is 700 mm. Spacing 3500 mm. BW is missing. Missing or given. Width of wave is given is 250. Width of wave is given. Look at here. Width of wave is given 250. Okay, and thickness of slab is also given 130 mm. Data is given. Look at here. Spacing of beam is given. Thickness of slab is given. Width of wave is given. Overall depth is given. Effective cover 50 mm is given. 6 meter span and UDL load 60 kilonewton per meter. Okay, UDL load subjected total UDL load. Write down here total UDL load. So you don't need to find out dead load or floor finish or any other load. This total UDL is given 60 kilometer. Multiply by 1.5. You can find a factor load here. Okay, use M25 grade concrete and Fe250 grade steel. Okay, great. So practice this example. Structure is design is always need a practice for the make it perfect. So practice example. We will meet soon in the next lecture. We will start a CR reinforced design, development, length and bond. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.